space, the moon landings, Earth, 9/11. We've all heard the conspirators claim that evidence is just lies, Photoshop, and CGI. And you know what? Fine. If they want to take the single weakest possible argument and champion it, good for them. The problem here is that truth doesn't exist in isolation. Facts interweave with other facts and build up a giant picture called reality. If you think one of the pieces of the puzzle doesn't fit, the easiest way to show this is to solve the other pieces around it. If a person wants to demonstrate that a body of evidence is fake, that means the evidence does not corroborate with other demonstrable facts, so demonstrate it. If it's all CGI, it should be easy to demonstrate contradictory facts, and if not, the claims of fakery are completely baseless. The conspiracy peeps will always substitute raw conjecture instead of any form of demonstration. Always!